On Sundays, I like to cook a nice healthy meal for my family and friends. And because of this, I prefer to use locally grown Rupununi chicken. When I cook for the people I care about, I want to make sure that the chicken I'm using don't have large amounts of antibiotics and growth hormones. You really notice the difference in flavor and texture of the local chicken compared to the imported chicken. It's tastier and much more healthier. The thing with the imported chicken is that I worry about is how many times it is frozen and melted and refrozen. Is a lot of times, and I think this could be really unhealthy for us. Refreezing is dangerous and could give you a much higher chance of food poisoning. And you know also, the less the chicken takes to travel to you, the lower the chances of refreezing and the fresher it is. And well, you know local chicken don't travel too far and this means it's fresh when it gets to you. Fresh chicken just tastes better. Plus, I believe when you buy local chicken, you're keeping the local livestock industry alive. You're supporting local farmers, which help local businesses to grow. And yes, I know local chicken is a bit more expensive than imported chicken, but for the health of my family, friends, and community, I think it's worth it. So I guess what I'm trying to say, it's local meat you just can't beat.